argument is not reasonable if the defense has already had the opportunity to question the child's impact on the child's mental health. It has been documented that children often guess. At the same time, they are told they must not forget even the smallest detail of their abuse. At the same time, respect the principle of the best interest and the right to be heard. Now, more and more states have responded to this question by establishing Barnahus as the only viable answer. Aim that guarantees the protection, for example, outside the to avoid further victimization. Therefore, states should put in place lex. The jurisprudence of the Committee on the Right of the Child has given legitimacy. The Barnahus should be expanded to ensure that all children have access to Barnahus. Moreover, the committee recommends that child victims and witnesses should be
police station, a child production agency, or hospital. People there might not.
These 5 were at the time in the process of setting up such services. Now there may be a few more.
The prosecutor, the police officer, lawyers and judges can watch in a separate room. And if they want to ask them questions, the interviewer hears them via earphones and can put them to a child in a friendly
well-being, where the medical examination takes place. This is hardly ever a good experience, especially
at the center of the proceedings, making sure that everything happens in the same place, swiftly and efficiently.
that they need and deserve. That is a true justice. Also.
Justice services for children who are victims of violence. So the aim, the objective is that we have a real overarching mapping for the first time to really show the tendency
of Barnahus services, but also the integration of this service and of this research stepping in. But with much gratitude to Daya also for her work. And just to say that indeed we had a discussion on
countries have moved or have established in some regions one and in others another.
So starting with pilot projects or coming from above, from a real government strategy, and the
governments taking the lead in setting up the Barnahus and similar services. And I'm not sure I'm on the right. Yes, I'm on the right slide. In partnership with the government, and the new service gained approach to child protection. And it is important that we perceive Barnahus as closely integrated within the child protection system. The process of adapting the Barnahus should not be underestimated. It always requires an expertise of its own.